Hello, welcome to my channel. You can find the worksheet below this video. Let's start our lesson. Okay, today's lesson is number lesson 2, application of prime factors. And today we have two topics. One is greatest common factors and the other one is lowest common multiple. Let's start our first topic, greatest common factors. Greatest common factor of a set of numbers is the largest factor that all the numbers share. Let's look at some examples. State the greatest common factors A, 15, 25, and 35. And in this way, we can find the common factors. And for 15, the prime factors is 3 and 5. And 25 is 5 and 5. And 35 is 5 and 7. And in this way, we need to find the number in common. And we can find 5, 5, 5. All of them have 5. So the greatest common factor is 5 for this one. Let's look at B, 12, 30, and 54. And let's find out the factors for each number. And 12 is 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. And 13. 30 is 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15, and 30. And 54. And it's 2, 3, 6, 9, 18, 27, and 54. And in this way, we can find that the greatest common factor is 6. So the GCF is 6. Let's look at more examples. And the first C, 154 and 198. In this way, we can use the factor tree to solve these two numbers. The first one is 154, and we can break to 2 and 77. And 77 we can break to 7 and 11. So in this way, and 154 equals to 2 times 7 times 11. And 198 we can break into 6 and 33. And 6 we can break to 2 and 3. And 33 we can break to 3 and 11. And in this way, and 198 we can write into 2 times 3 times 3 times 11. And now we can find both of them have 2 and 11. And in this way, the great common factors is the product of the number in common. And the common number is 2 and 11. So this is the product. So this one, 22, is the greatest common factors for these two numbers. Okay, and now let's try another example, and 294 and 285. 294 we can break to 6 and 49. and 6 we can break 2 and 3, 49 we can break to 7 and 7. And 285 we can break into 5 and 57, and 57 we can break to 3 and 19. And in this way we can find the common factors only 3. So the greatest common factors is 3. Okay? Now let's move to the next part, lowest common multiples. And the lowest common multiples is the smallest positive integers that is evenly divisible by the set of number. Okay, let's look at 2 examples. The first one is 15, 25, and 35. In this way, we still use the factor tree to solve this number. And the 15 we can find is 3, 5. And 25 we can find is 5 and 5. And 35 we can find is 5 and 7. And in this way, and we need so at least 1 3 and at least 1 7. So it's 7 times 3. And how many 5 do we need? So we need to use the most number of 5s that found in one particular number. So in this way, the most number of 5 is 25. So this 2 5, we can times 2 5. And we got 525. So this is the lowest common multiple for this set of numbers. And now, for B 3 is 3, and 14, and we can break to 2 and 7. 70, and we can break to like 10, 7 and 10, and 10 we can break 2 and 5. And 150 we can break to 3 and 50, and then 2, 25, and 5 and 5. Okay, and we can find 1 2 because each one have 1 2 and 1 3. And for the 5, and for this number and 150, it has 2 5, so we need the most number of 5, so we need 2 5 and we need 1 7, and the product of these numbers is 1050. So this number is the lowest common multiple of this set of numbers. Thank you for watching. If you like my teaching, please click the subscribe button. Please let me know your questions in comments.